How's it going, everyone? Corey here, aka Crasher, back with a new video, and ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a brand new installment of coverage when it comes to Activision Blizzard, so without further ado, let's get started with this. And the source of today's video comes from Dexerto with an article titled, US Government Calls CEO Bob Kotick to Court Over Activision Blizzard Allegations. As the US federal government's investigation into misconduct allegations against Activision Blizzard builds, employees like Bobby Kotick have reportedly been subpoenaed by the SEC. Activision Blizzard's allegations have ranged from sexual misconduct to union busting, with the Securities and Exchange Commission involved in the process and taking steps to investigate the popular company. Now, as reported by the Wall Street Journal's Kirsten Grind and Sarah E. Needleman, sources claim the SEC are subpoenaing CEO Bobby Kotick, among other senior Activision Blizzard executives. A series of allegations were spurred by accusations of a pervasive frat boy culture in the Californian government's lawsuit against the gaming company. On September 20th, the latest development illustrates the SEC's growing involvement. As shared by Bloomberg reporter Jason Schreier, the SEC has joined the investigation and has subpoenaed Kotick and others. In doing so, the federal government is effectively calling the company's highest level representatives to court over the aforementioned misconduct allegations. After the initial California lawsuit, further legal cases have emerged. Activision Blizzard's first response was described as abhorrent, with employees proceeding to go on strike and publicly critique the publicly traded company. In the few months since, Activision Blizzard's franchised leagues, the Call of Duty and Overwatch leagues, have both lost a variety of sponsors, seemingly related to the growing legal troubles. Additionally, Blizzard President J. Allen Brack's resignation was not enough to satisfy concerns over the company's culture as more cases emerged, with the federal labor complaint lodged by employees over union busting and a lawsuit over false and misleading behavior by shareholders. The company is under the microscope. Now, with the WSJ's latest report, it appears that the SEC is holding said microscope towards Kotick and Activision Blizzard's top brass. Okay, so this right here doesn't really surprise me all that much, especially when we consider all of the coverage that we have done and all that is out there when it comes to the tale that is Activision Blizzard and their continued legal troubles. But really, my biggest response out of all of this is a huge yikes. That is a huge yikes from me, dog. Holy shit. Like, when you are being subpoenaed to court, that is a big uh-oh in that regard, man. Oh my god. Oh, but wait a second. It's actually not over yet, because there is actually something else that we have to talk about here. As lawsuits pile up, Activision Blizzard loses its chief legal officer. Another high-level Activision Blizzard employee has left the company. Claire Hart, Blizzard's chief legal officer, announced in a LinkedIn post that her last day was on Friday, September 17th. The past 3 years have been full of unexpected twists and turns, but I feel honored to have worked with and met so many great people at Blizzard and across the Activision Blizzard business, Hunt said. Those unexpected twists and turns might be an allusion to the series of legal troubles Activision Blizzard faces due to allegations of harassment, abuse, and discrimination. To date, Activision Blizzard is facing suits from the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing for enabling a culture of harassment, its own investors for essentially failing to accurately disclose knowledge of these harassment and discrimination problems to investors, the Code-CWA for unfair labor practices involving intimidating employees. and Activision Blizzard is under investigation by the EEOC and the SEC, all within the last 4 months. Hunt's departure is the latest in a string of high-profile employees leaving amidst the company's ever-growing legal issues. Blizzard President J. Allen Brack and Head of Global Human Resources Jesse Meschuk left in early August. 3 top game designers who worked on such titles as Diablo 4, World of Warcraft, and Overwatch also left Blizzard in August. Blizzard did not confirm if they were fired or left voluntarily. Activision Blizzard CEO Bobby Kotick said in a press release that the company is cooperating with all these investigations and that there is absolutely no place anywhere in our company for discrimination, harassment, or unequal treatment of any kind. I've said this before, but I'm gonna say it again because it's pretty damn fitting, but talk is cheap there, Bobby, my man. I want to see some action. If you truly believe that there is no place for any of the stuff that you listed up, like harassment, discrimination, and all that stuff, we need to see some action, okay? Flapping your lips about it ain't gonna really solve or prove anything until we actually see some action. But holy shit, man, the mass exodus from Activision Blizzard continues on, now with the company losing the head of their legal team. Like, that is absolutely crazy. Like, what the hell? I'm actually a little bit speechless about that, honestly. But you know what, though? At the same time, it doesn't surprise me with all of the stuff that has taken place over the last few months regarding Activision Blizzard. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm really not even sure what else I can say to add on to this. I mean, the things that we have covered here in this video speak a pretty straightforward story here, you know what I'm saying? The rabbit hole that is Activision Blizzard continues to get deeper and deeper and deeper as time goes on, maybe even to the point where we reach the literal center of the earth here in this scenario. My god. So thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you very much for your time as well in viewing this video. Have yourself a damn good one, guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.